This is Cuisinart's 3-in-1 stainless 5-burner gas grill right out of the box, and I'm Max Good. I test and review grills and smokers full-time for AmazingRibs.com. We'll be putting it through the paces shortly, so let's take a quick look before we start to cook. In this short virtual showroom video, I'll walk you around the 3-in-1 to show what it looks like inside and out. If you're not already at our AmazingRibs.com review page, you can read our detailed test results at the link below. Welcome to our virtual showroom. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 stainless 5-burner gas grill. So-called 3-in-1 because it is a gas grill. And Cuisinart throws in this really big, pretty nice cast iron griddle that hangs off the left side. And on the right, under the side burner, hangs a smoker tube. You can stuff it with wood chips and do a little smoking. Dedicated piezoelectric ignition at each control knob. The cart's not enclosed, but you do have a storage shelf at the bottom. There's a small grease tray that slides in to a larger drip pan. A window on the hood lets you look while you cook. The 5 main burners are each covered by a heat tent. Double-sided cast iron grates. You got a wide flat side and thin sharp side. The hood is double-walled, always nice, especially in cold weather. The smoke tube sits between the 2 right burners and hangs from a hook on the back. Well, that's kind of nice to get all those extras. We'll be checking them out and reporting back in our detailed written review. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 gas grill. For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.